Buenos dias, alumnos. It's Señora Pollon and Ruby coming to you from a different cuarto de mi casa, a different room in my house. Are you ready for another Spanish lesson? Today's frase de la semana, or phrase of the week, is tengo hambre. Can you say tengo hambre? Tengo hambre. Very good. Notice the H is silent when it's at the very beginning of a word. Tengo hambre means I'm hungry. I'm hungry. And I am. I'm hungry right now. So this week, you can practice tengo hambre. You can go up to your mom and dad and say, Mama, Papa, tengo hambre. It means I'm hungry. All right, let's get started on this week's lesson. Hello, my beautiful second graders. The last few weeks, we've been learning about adjectives, or words that describe nouns. Last week, I sent you home with a game of memory. I hope you had fun making it and played a few games with people in your family, or you just played by yourself. Today, we're going to be reviewing those words and then making complete sentences with them. So let's first review our colors, because colors are descriptive words. Colors are adjectives. So let's just quickly review how we say each one. This one is, hopefully you said, negro, negro. What's this? Did you say morado? Morado. ¿Qué color? What color is it? Did you say verde? Verde is right. Pink is rosado. Muy bien, rosado. The next color is azul. Muy bien, azul. Red is, that's right, it's rojo, rojo. White is blanco. Muy bien, it's blanco. How do we say brown? Did you say café? Café is right. This is the very long one, boys and girls. How do we say orange? That is right, it's anaranjado. Anaranjado. Muy bien. And finally, yellow is amarillo. Muy bien, amarillo. Now, let's go over how we say our adjectives. We have more. These were opposites, opuestos, in Spanish. I'm going to show them to you in English first this time. Usually I show them to you in Spanish first. I'm going to show them to you in English, and then you try to take a minute and remember how we say each one. So pretty, the word for pretty in Spanish, what do you think it is? If you need to pause the videotape and think about it, you can, and then come back. Pretty is bonita, bonita. Ugly is, what did you say? Did you say feo? Good, it's feo. Clean is, take a minute to think about it. Clean is limpio. Muy bien, limpio. So dirty is, did you say sucio? Sucio. Big is, that is right, big is grande. Grande. Muy bien. And so little is pequeño. Muy bien. You got it. Pequeño. How do we say old? Viejo. Viejo. And the opposite of old is new. How do we say new? Did you say nuevo? Nuevo. Good. How do we say sad? Sad is triste. Triste. Muy bien. And happy is alegre. Good job. I hope you got all those right, boys and girls. Thank you for reviewing those with me. Now, I want you to get out a worksheet that was sent home with you. Looks like this. Get your lapis ready, and we're going to be making sentences together. Okay, boys and girls, the directions at the top say use the descriptive words from the word bank below to describe each picture in a sentence. Most pictures can be described by more than one word. So here's our word bank at the bottom, and it has all the words we just went over. The first 10 words are colors, and then the words after that are all the other adjectives that we've learned, all the opposites. So we have blanco or white, negro or black, rosado or pink, verde, green, amarillo, yellow, anaranjado, orange, azul, blue, rojo, red, morado, purple, café, brown, bonita, pretty, feo, ugly, grande, big, pequeño, little, limpio, clean, sucio, dirty, viejo, old, nuevo, new, alegre, happy, and triste, sad. So you get to pick from these words down here. They give you an example. It says, el borrador es. And a borrador is this picture right here. So all of these pictures are what we're describing. So a borrador is an eraser, right? And it says el borrador es, or the eraser is, and then their example is rosado y pequeño. Okay, E just means and in Spanish. The letter Y means and when it's pronounced E. So rosado. So this eraser or the borrador is pink, right? Rosado. Y and pequeño, little, right? Those are two words that describe that eraser. So we're going to find words that describe these other pictures down here, and we'll be making full sentences that way. So let's do this first one together. El bote de basura es. That means the garbage can is. So here we have a garbage can, right? El bote de basura es. Let's find two words down here that might describe this particular garbage can. Well, I think the first thing that pops into my head is that a trash can is dirty. So the word down here for dirty, if you remember, is sucio. So we're going to write sucio, right? El bote de basura es sucio. It's dirty. And this particular one is blue. So let's find the word for blue down here. If you can remember, it is azul. We have to write the word E, that means and. Azul, blue. Now, you might be able to come up with another descriptive word, and if you do, go ahead and add it. You can write E again for and maybe you would think grande because it's big, or maybe you would think feo. Is it dirty? Is it ugly? Do you think it's maybe an ugly trash can? You can pick your own words that you think properly describe that. I think sucio y azul describes the bote de basura, or the trash can. All right, let's look at the next one. The planet. La planeta es. The planet is. Well, the very first thing that pops into my head is that the planet is big, right? It is very big. So the word down here for big, we see grande. La planeta grande. Try to come up with maybe more than one, at least two. And if you can come up with more than two, that's good. I'm going to come up with two. It's grande y, and I think it's pretty. It's very pretty. So let's say bonita. Y bonita. If you come up with other things, you might want to say blue or green. See the different colors? You could put azul y verde. You can come up with other ways of describing la planeta. I came up with grande y bonita. Big and pretty. All right. El patito de goma es. The rubber ducky. The rubber ducky is. The first thing I notice is that it's yellow. So I'm going to pick the color yellow from down here, which is amarillo. Amarillo. El patito de goma es, the rubber ducky is, amarillo, yellow. And I think it's small, so I'm just going to say that it's pequeño. Okay. You can come up with more words that you think describe it, and that's fine. Here we have a baby. It says, el bebé es. The baby is. Now, looking at that baby's face, you see he's crying. So the first thing I think is he's sad. So I'm going to pick triste. And I could pick another one. I think a baby is always small, so I will just say y pequeño. But you could maybe think the baby is also, what else could we pick? Bonita, pretty. You could put that one down too. I'm going to pick triste y pequeño. Okay, here we have a little girl. It says la niña, the girl. Es, is. The girl is. Well, she's smiling, so I think she's happy. So I'm going to pick happy first. La niña es alegre. Y I think she's really pretty, so I'm going to put bonita. Okay, moving on to the next one, we have a telephone here. So it says el teléfono, the telephone. Es is, well, the first thing I notice is the telephone is black. So I'm going to pick the color black from our word bank, which is negro. Another thing I notice is it's a very old-fashioned one, right? It's an old telephone. We don't have telephones like that anymore. So I'm going to say y viejo, old. I think those are two words that describe that telephone. The last thing that we have is a present. El regalo es. The present is. What words could you use to describe it? Well, I think it's purple, it's small, but presents are mostly new, right? Because you're brand new. You just got a present. So el regalo es nuevo. New. And this one, I think it's like a shade of purple. So I'm going to put y morado. And there you go. Now, if you came up with other words that were descriptive of these pictures, muy bien, that's very good. You can always just add y again and then another word. All right. That's all for today, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you next time. Adios. Ciao.